Shenzhen CY Science and Technology Company Limited is a professional designer and qualified manufacturer of automatic door gate controller systems and security alarm systems. There are 6 production flows in our factory, which is SMD, reflow soldering, parts inserting, post-soldering, assembly, and packing. Strictly quality control is performed in every procedure, from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Our products, tubular motor receiver, rolling shutter control board, remote control duplicator, transmitter, universal receiver, photocell sensor, and flash lamp. Besides, we have also developed a Wi-Fi smart home system with SafeMate app and Tuya app base on our current products. All of our products passed CE, RoHS, also FCC. Chuangyao was established in 2008 and is located in Shenzhen, a city full of creativity in the south of China. We have about 120 employees, an excellent research and development team with advanced technology and mature design, which can meet the customer's OEM and ODM requirements, and they have obtained more than 20 patents, including design and technology. The professional sales team provides the best service. The standard production line strictly controls product quality. Our products are sold all over the world with years of sales, up to $12 million USD. We believe good products bring valuable customers. Stable and advanced quality is the best brand and the best advertisement. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.